When the sky is falling down hard, when the sky is falling down hard, don't hold me up, just stand back, I'm chasing the storm. Don't hold me up, just stand back, I'm chasing storms.
The end of an era. One of the most recognizable names in American retail is closing its doors today.
John Schumo has more on the end of Toys R Us.
It thrilled generations of children, but the shelves at Toys R Us stores across the country are now bare. Charles Lazarus opened his first store in 1948, selling baby furniture in Washington, D.C. A few years later, he turned his attention to toys.
I don't want to grow up, find a Toys R Us kid.
With catchy jingles and a logo a child might write, Toys R Us grew to revolutionize retail in the decades that followed. The chain announced it was going out of business in March, with some 700 stores shutting down. The final 200 closed their doors for good on Friday.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Category 5 Corey Storm reporting to you live from PWA Canada in Kitchener, Ontario, Canada. Tonight I am in a triple threat against Nolan Pink and Alien Habanero. It is going to be a great night.
180 pounds, Category 5, Corey
Reason being is I set my phone out on the ledge at our hotel all night long and captured this amazing time lapse of Niagara Falls and the sun coming up. My way back to the United States and home here in Owensboro, Kentucky, I just want to say thank you to everyone at PWA Canada and every one of the fans who came out that night and made me feel as one of their own. That has always been a dream of mine to wrestle in Canada, and I hope one day that dream will live on and I will return to Canada.